So prep means preference night. It's the very last night of recruitment, and basically you have two houses that are your final two kind of decisions, and you'll have a more formal ceremony at each of the houses, and they'll be a lot longer. That's when you'll wear your nicer dresses for that night. And so that's when you kind of decide, okay, do I want this house or do I want this house? And so then
and then what happens after that, where throughout the entire process that you have gone through, and you end up with 2 or 3 chapters at the end that you attend the preference event, the potential new member then leaves and goes and signs a membership recruitment acceptance binding agreement that we remember as a bid card. And so those, you'll go, and it's often referred to as MRABA, and it is a form that the potential new member fills out, and she will place her first, second, third choice depending on how many events that she's attended and how many she can list. So at Georgia Tech they have 2 events, 2 preference events. If she attends 2, she can list 2 that she would be matched to. And then that match happens again. So as it happened throughout the entire process, when a potential new member is matched, and her first choice is always the goal to match her first choice on her MRABA, her bid card, with the chapter's choice. So the chapter is doing the same thing. When she's matched, she is bound to that chapter for 1 calendar year. So in many, many cases, potential new members receive their first choice. I think the percentage last year at the University of Georgia was close to 90% of potential new members who went through that process, signed a bid card, accepted the invitations to every event that they were invited to, and attended those events, list everything, played by the rules. Then that woman will be matched 100% guaranteed. So we have quota additions that sometimes go over the quota amount, but for you as a potential new member, if you go through the entire process and you've listed every opportunity that you can, you will walk away with a bid from a sorority.